Hey guys, Tom and Rob here from the Ink Factory. We're delighted to have teamed up with Alone to launch the Bucket Listers project. We'll be raising funds for this amazing charity as well as giving our own special contribution, a free tattoo for each of the 5 lovely individuals taking part. At the Ink Factory, we've always considered inclusivity as a central part of our DNA. So, on Sunday the 9th of September, we'll be running a big day where our artists will be donating their talents alongside a fundraising drive to support Alone so they continue all the incredible work they do, ensuring older people feel valued and equipped to thrive in the modern world.
Through our Pieta House drives every October, we've been able to help their life-saving efforts. In this project, we're helping Alone's life-enhancing efforts. So keep watching to learn more about Alone's amazing network of support and our 5 bucket listers who benefit from it.